Hello dear students, welcome back e-classes of Computer of Standard 12th. Let's start our next topic, aggregation words composition of chapter number 6. Aggregation represents non-exclusive relationship between two classes. In aggregation, the class that forms part of the owner class can exist independently. The life of an object of the part class is not determined by the owner class.
For example, although the motherboard is part of the computer, it can exist as a separate item independent of the computer. Thus, motherboard is not exclusively associated with computer. Basic aggregation is represented using an empty diamond symbol next to the whole class. Composition represents exclusive relationship between two classes. Composition is a strong type of aggregation where the lifetime of the part class depends on the existence of the owner class. If an object of aggregating class is deleted, its part class object also will get deleted. For example, when an object of class person is deleted, the object of class name is also deleted. Composition relationships are represented using a filled diamond symbol next to the whole class. In this example, a relationship between class person and class name is composition relationship, whereas a relationship between class person and class address is aggregation relationship. Address may be shared by more than one person. So when a person is deleted, the corresponding name object is deleted, but address cannot be deleted. The class that contain objects of other class is known as owner class or whole class or aggregating class. For example, class person is an aggregating class. The class that is contained in owner class is known as subject class or part class or aggregated class. For example, the classes name and address are aggregated class. Next topic is inheritance. Inheritance is generally referred to as is a kind of relationship between two classes. It is appropriate when one class is a kind of other class. For example, teacher is a kind of person. So all the attributes and method of a class person are applicable to class teacher also. In other words, class teacher inherits all attributes and behavior of class person. The another example of inheritance is mobile phone. All the attributes and method of a class mobile phone are applicable to Windows phone, Android phone and iPhone. Inheritance refers to the capability of defining a new class of objects that inherits the characteristics of another existing class. In object-oriented terminology, new class is called subclass or child class or derived class, whereas the existing class is called superclass or parent class or base class. Example, car is a subclass of or derived class of vehicle. Vehicle is a base class of or superclass of car. The data, attributes and methods of the superclass are available to the objects in subclass without rewriting their declarations. This feature provides reusability where existing methods can be reused without redefining. In this example, person is a superclass and teacher is a subclass. Generalization is another name for inheritance or is a relationship. It refers to a relationship between two classes where one class is a specialized version of another. Common attributes and methods are defined in superclass. Subclass is a specialized version with additional attributes and methods. Sometimes there may be a classical hierarchy of inheritance between classes. For example, class employee can be derived from class person. Then class teacher can be derived from employee. Here employee is a kind of person and teacher is a kind of employee. Such type of inheritance is known as multi-level inheritance. A class can also be derived using more than parent classes. For example, a child inherits the characteristics of both mother and father. Airplane is a kind of vehicle as well as flying object. When a class is derived from two or more classes, it is known as multiple inheritance. Next topic is composition versus inheritance. In inheritance, class inherits from other classes in order to share, reuse, or extend functionality. Here, there exists a kind of relationship between superclass and subclass. In composition, classes do not inherit from other classes but are composed of other classes. Class contains the attributes where some attributes are of objects of other class types. I hope you have understood all the topics of chapter number 6. Thank you, students.